everyone, welcome to another, well actually one of my very first reviews on this channel. Today we are looking at the Aegis Mini Kit by Geek Vape. This thing is an 80 watt box mod. It is a mesh, it's a super mesh coil times 2. Coil's resistance is 0.3, the one that comes with it. It comes with a bubble glass, 5.5 milliliters of juice you can put in it. Comes with a spare regular glass tube. It's also with an extra super mesh coil, user cable, USB cable, and a user manual. It is very durable. I've been using this thing for about a month now. Not sponsored, but wish I was. It's powered by an AS80 chipset. And for those people out there who really want to know that, my camera is not the best. I'm sorry about this. It is waterproof, fall proof. Everything is unbreakable on this thing, probably but the glass tube. I've been using it for about a month now, and it's surprisingly very well. This is the starter kit. You can get these for around, I want to say $60. The one I got was the camo edition. So let's move on to the actual mod. Here we are with the actual mod. It's 5 clicks on. I'll show you again. Oh, I didn't show you the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clicks on. It's 5 clicks off again, same way. 5 clicks on. It has these are the up and down buttons up here, all the way up to 80 watts. C all the way down to 5. And it's surprisingly very well for $6. It is a internal battery, so you're looking for some external batteries. This is not where you want to get. This is not what you want to get. This is an internal battery. The flavor from the coil is like, it's phenomenal. The tank on this is the Cerberus. It's a very well made tank, I think. That came with it, but they should have gave you a coil that goes up to 80 watts. The coil that comes in this is a mesh coil that only goes up to 30 to 40, but the best is 30 to 45. And with that being said, I really don't have any problems with this box mod at the moment. But it's a very well made box mod, I think. I'm sorry about the quality, that I'm new to this, and everything else. Hopefully on this channel I can actually make something of it, and if I can, be great. But let's vape it. It does pretty well. I had it only at 28 there. Let's turn it up to 45, the highest as this coil can go, because I really don't want to burn out the coil. Alright, let's vape it again. It blows pretty nice clouds. For being $60, this is not bad. If you're looking to just start off vaping, this is where it is. This is the kind of mod you should get. This is the camo edition, like I said. They come in different colors. I will have the website for this mod and where you can get one of these at. They're not bad. I really enjoy it. It's not a bad kit. It's pretty slim. It's like a pot, like one glass full of, like, I don't know. It's just it's small and it's compact. if you want like something that's small and compact and it's a box mod, this is where you are. This is where you're at. If you're looking to upgrade from a pod system, this is also another idea of maybe of what you should get. I feel like the coils on this thing last for about, I'm gonna say about 2 weeks actually. On if you leave it under 45, or if you turn it up all the way 80 watts, it's probably gonna destroy the coil within like a few days. But if you leave it around 38.1 is what I usually use. It hits really well. The flavor's there. It also has adjustable airflow right here. It's just a turn slide, and the way you refill these is through here. It is a simple refill, not too much. Don't refill in here if you're new to vaping. It's the sides, these two holes right here. Again, it's not a bad box mod. Probably pick one of these for like $60. They're not too bad. I enjoy using it. We did drop these on purpose for a few times. I'm not gonna do it on camera now. These things are very durable, waterproof for sure. There's not too much bad to say about it, but the way it's held, because your finger, like some box mods are just like this, but for this you're gonna have to go like this for it, and maybe it might not be someone's preference or someone else's. It is their preference, and maybe not someone else's not preference, if that makes sense. With all things being the side, it's by Aegis Mini kit. It's a Geek Vape also. Says it on the side there, Geek Vape, and the other side says Aegis. Again, not a bad kit. I will show you what we all get in the kit. Okay, at first glance, it's a normal, just a black, ugly box like Smocks. I already have the coil and everything put on it, so, but I will show you what you all get in it. You get a spare charger holder, like the cover piece for the charger. Charger on this thing is at the bottom. It's right here, and it lasted for quite a while, but at some point, yeah, we're gonna need to replace this. But it's normal charger for most vape devices out there right now. You get an extra tank. It's not a bubble tank though, it's a regular glass tank. You do get an extra coil right here. It's an extra coil with it. You get extra O-rings for the tank itself and for any other options that you might want to use these for. And you get the best thing of all, the silicone gel. Do not eat this. That's not good. Just joke. It's dry repellent and keep everything dry. Inside the box is where the box mod would lay. And the bottom, this is where the coil would be, where everything's already assembled. Basically, you just pull it out, put it on, screw it on, some juice in there, and you're all ready to go. There's nothing more to it. There's no batteries that you have to mess around with. So if you're new at vaping, this is where it is. I would suggest this kit. Also, another thing you get is a manual. You get this little envelope full of just like registering for the actual mod online. They send you a picture of an alpha tank and the other colors of the mini. You got red, you got like I don't know, this right here. This green, I forgot the name that is, but also you get a blue color or a camo or a red. Right here's red, camo, and blue. Oh, that's blue. Okay. That's all you get in the kit. So for things overhearing about this kit, it's not a bad kit. Don't get me wrong, it's not like a drag dupo. But besides that, if you're looking just to start off, this is not a bad kit to get. I highly suggest it. If you enjoy vaping or you already are a vapor, I don't really suggest it because you could probably upgrade to a little bit something more powerful. Again, this is only 80 watts, and it's really about all. For this video, I know it's not really organized, and I'm sorry. If I missed something, let me know in the comments, and I'm trying my hardest to see if I can get a channel going, and it's kind of hard. Like, it's hard. You start off on YouTube because no one really knows you, and no one really gets to your channel. But all things being aside, this is not a bad kit. I highly suggest anyone that's starting off to get this. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Here it is. It's not a bad kit. Again, let's vape it again and see what we can do. It makes dense clouds, some tornadoes. If you guys want some vape tricks, actually, let me know. I will try my best to set that up. I'm not too sure how it's gonna go. Again, I don't have the best camera. I'm only using a Logitech right now. It's only a 720p camera. I know I need to upgrade. Well, again, I'm just starting off, so for starting off, not too bad. But that's not about this. It's about the vape. Anyway, I would give it, for starting off, I would give it at least a 9.5 out of 10. It's not bad. I love it. There's nothing really wrong with it. There's not too many cons about it either. The pros are you don't have to mess with batteries. It's easy to refill. It's a simple menu. I could also show you other menu options real quick. It's 3 clicks to actually go into the menu. 1, 2, 3. And now you see that it highlighted a little bit more whiter. You can change all the way to temperature from TCI, TI, TCTR, the VPC. You can change the wattage in there from whatever you like. Sorry about that. Again, it's not a bad kit. I think that's all it's going to do for today, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. I know I have a phone in my hand. I'm sorry. Alright. See y'all dudes in the other one, in the next one. Blow out the cloud for effect and outro. I'm not going to edit any of this. This is just a really bad video, and I'm sorry if it's cringy. I'm trying my hardest. There's not too much I can really do. I don't know how to edit. I'm not really good at editing. I will work on that, I promise. But if you stick around, I would thank you a lot for sticking around. But I'm forcing you to stay. But hey, until next one, stay good.